Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Learning Hub. If you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. In the previous class, we have learned about the different formulas, how to use it, how to write the formulas. In today's class, we will learn about the conditional formatting. Okay, so conditional formatting is used to format your data according to some condition. जो भी हम कंडीशन देंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपने डाटा में फॉर्मेटिंग ला सकते हैं. ओके, मीन्स विच सेल्स वी वांट टू हाईलाइट अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कंडीशन, that is known as conditional formatting. Now let us see how to use it. Okay, here we have one table. In that table, admission number is there, name, and different subject marks are there of different students. Like Deepa got 78 marks in English, 85 in maths, 83 in computer science. Somya got 81 in English, 71 in maths. Like this, we have data of certain students that this student has got this much marks in this subject. After that, we have done total also, that these are the total marks of Deepa, these are the total marks of Somya. Like this, we have made one table. Now suppose I want to highlight the marks of those students who has got more than 240 marks or more than 230 marks. Those who have got more than 240 marks, I want to highlight the data of those students. Okay, so how to highlight? First thing is you have to select the cells. You have to select the cells. After selecting the cells, you have to click on Home tab. Okay, and after clicking on Home tab, here one option is there by the name Conditional Formatting. You have to click on Conditional Formatting. After clicking here, you can see different options are there in the list. One list will appear here. Different options are there like highlight cell rules, top bottom rules. Like this, different options will appear. So according to our condition, okay, we want to highlight the cells. So which one option we will use? Highlight cell rules. After clicking on highlight cell rules, we have to click on greater than, because according to our condition we want to highlight those marks who has got greater than this 240 or 230. Okay, so we will choose greater than from here. After clicking on greater than, one dialog box will appear on your screen. Okay, so here we have to mention 240 or 230, whatever value you want to give, and from here you can choose the color, that by which color you want to highlight the cells, and after that you have to click on OK. So here you can see, so those who have got more than 230 marks, they are highlighted with green color. So easily you can read the data. This student has got more than 230 marks. Like this you can highlight the cells. इस तरीके से हम अपने डेटा को हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं. Then next topic is sorting. Sorting means to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Suppose 100 students are there in one class. 100 students हैं एक क्लास में. अब उनका नेम्स हमको अरेंज करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फ़ाबेट्स ABCD के अकॉर्डिंग. उसको अरेंज करना है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज़ सॉर्टिंग. Total 3 methods are there to sort the data. First one is by ascending order, or second one is descending order, and third one is custom sort. Custom sort we can do according to ourselves. Now see, first thing is you have to select the data. You have to select the data. After selecting the data, you have to click on Data tab. After clicking on Data tab, you can see here A to Z, then Z to A. Suppose I want to highlight according to A to Z. So I will choose A to Z from here. Then automatically your data will be arranged. You can see here it is arranged. In the top one table, first A, then D, then P, then R, then S. Okay, like this data is arranged in ascending order. If you want to arrange in descending order, then at that time you have to use Z to A. Okay, so like this your data will be arranged at that time in descending order. Then third method is related to custom sort. Okay, here also we can sort our data. Now how to sort? First thing is you have to select the table. Okay, जो भी हमने टेबल बनाई है उसको सेलेक्ट करेंगे. सेलेक्ट करने के बाद हम डेटा टैब पे क्लिक करेंगे. देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू क्लिक हियर ऑन सॉर्ट. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन सॉर्ट, like this one dialog box will appear. Here different conditions are there. First one is sort by. हमको किसके अकॉर्डिंग सॉर्ट करना है? सपोज वी वांट टू सॉर्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू टोटल, सो हियर वी विल चूज टोटल. देन सॉर्ट ऑन, दैट जो हम सॉर्ट करें किसके ऊपर कर रहे हैं? अल्फ़ाबेट्स के ऊपर कर रहे हैं, नंबर्स के ऊपर कर रहे हैं. अब टोटल इज रिलेटेड टू नंबर्स. ओके, सो हेयर वी हैव टू चूज़ वैल्यूज़ की जो हमको सॉर्ट करना है किस पे करना है? वैल्यूज़ पे सॉर्ट करना है. आफ्टर दैट in which order we have to sort, from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, we have to mention this. After that we have to click on OK. Then your data will be sorted according to that.